You want to own the assets. Don't just rent leads. Instead, the better approach is to build assets that create long-term value and reduce dependence on paid leads that seem to get more and more expensive every single year. Purchase leads can play an important role in growing your appliance repair business. But visibility assets continue to produce value long after they are created. Now, don't get me wrong. The goal isn't to eliminate purchase leads. The goal is avoiding complete dependence on them. Now, let's quickly compare these visibility assets that you should be working on and growing each year versus buying purchase leads. Visibility assets has reviews which build trust and influence the consumer's decision. Your website. This is your home base that you own and control. Business profile. Google Business Profile drives local visibility and direct phone calls to your business. A customer database. Your connections, your audience, and your future. And then brand recognition. This is where you become the trusted name in your local service area. Now let's jump over to purchase leads. This is where you pay per lead. It can get expensive and competitive. There's lead brokers, high costs and less control and transparency. And then there's aggregators like Angie's and Home Advisor, where you compete with many other businesses. And then there's directory leads, but they're low intent, low quality, and low conversion. Here's the thing. Assets, these online assets for your appliance repair company, builds equity. Equity builds results. So you should focus on what you own and what you can control.